Two dreams are from Allah. Dreams from Allah are one of two types. The first of them, which is less common, is that you see an actual event with you in it without any symbolism. You see something that will happen in the future, and there's no symbolism in it.
It's a direct, an enactment of the future. This is exactly what will happen. 6 months before the revelation of the Quran, every single night, Muhammad, peace be upon him, would dream what's going to happen tomorrow. He might be in the souk, buying and selling. He dreams of it. Next day, the exact same thing happens. Allah is telling him something special is going to happen, preparing him for the revelation of Iqra. For 6 months this happens, and then Iqra is revealed. It's more common to the prophets. Prophet Ibrahim sees himself sacrificing his son in his dream. So this is the first type of dream where you see an actual enactment of what will happen. This is rare, but it happens. There's no symbolism. It's clear-cut. So number 1, no symbolism. Number 2, symbolism. And this is the most common type. Sometimes the prophets have it, and more commonly even non-prophets have it. And in this type of dream, every object that you see symbolizes something else.
An ear of corn represents a year of water according to the story of Yusuf. A very fat cow and a very thin cow represents a year of drought versus a year of surplus. A tree represents this. The Kaaba represents that. Light represents something else.
In one hadith, the Prophet, peace be upon him, said, I saw men wearing robes of different sizes. Some of their robes were up to their necks, some of them up to their stomachs. And I saw Omar, his robe was dragging behind him. They said, how did you interpret it?
He said, the religion. People have different sizes of religion. Some religions are small, some religions are big. Omar's religion was so strong it's going all the way back there. This is a symbolic dream.
Everything that you see, every color, every animal, every image, every plant, every inanimate object that you remember, it represents something.